Hey y'all, Kaya here of WayUpGoodies and the Super Bowl is Sunday. So I don't really care that much about sports, but I do love, you know, Super Bowl parties and wings. So we're gonna make some wings. Lauren likes football. You like football, babe. It's okay. It's okay. But you know, she's team Eagles, so either way. But we're gonna make some wings. We're gonna make garlic infused garlic parmesan wings. It's actually very easy. So okay, let's do it. Okay. So here we have like 2.5 pounds of wings. They came, you know, as like the full piece, but yeah, closer to 3 pounds. We chopped them, put them in a bowl, and they just about ready for some seasoning. This part is really simple. It's just 1/2 cup of oil and some seasoning. So this has a little smoked paprika, some grated parmesan, a little salt, little pepper, onion powder. I don't have measurements, but it's all in there. So and it tastes good. Okay. So that's the first thing you do, and then when these come out of the oven, we're gonna get into we're gonna get into making the sauce. Now this is gonna be the infused part. We have some canna butter here. This is our wax infused canna butter, and then I added a little bit of our rosin infused coconut oil just for a little more infusion, and then some uninfused butter just to kind of cut it a little bit. It's about 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter in here. 6 tablespoons, but I took out 1 tablespoon to do coconut oil instead. And then we have some cilantro, cause the store didn't have parsley, but cilantro tastes better than me anyway. And then we have garlic. This isn't enough garlic in my opinion, but I cut like 4 to 5 cloves. And then we have more seasoning. Now this seasoning has a lot more grated parmesan in it, because this goes on top after it's all cooked. And then grated parm, right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Some, you know, no, it's shredded, yeah. Not grated. This is shredded parmesan. That's for, you know, going on afterwards. So let's get into this chicken. So super easy. We're gonna put some oil. That's good. Oh. Okay. Just give it a little mix that oil in there. And then our seasoning. Okay. Yes. Oh, this seasoning has a little bit of our canna sugar. Just a little bit, like just a tad. Okay. Get that in there. Okay. Smell them seasonings, baby.
That's looking well seasoned.
Well seasoned, not just salt and pepper. All the recipes online, like, ooh, salt and pepper your chicken. Salt and pepper. What about the garlic? What about the paprika? Salt and pepper. Adobo. Okay. That looks mixed. Now we have our pan here. So what is this, babe? Cooling rack or baking rack, whatever you're using it for at the time. Yeah. Just to kind of get a crisp on the chicken. We got a crisp the other way too, but let's get these on here. So our oven is at 450. It is preheated to 450, and we are gonna cook these for what, baby? 45 minutes?
45 minutes to an hour, depending on the crispiness.
Yes.
We like our chicken crispy.
I want no soggy chicken. So
we're going to go by how it looks, not just by time.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Alright, so let's put these in the oven. Let me see where our racks are. Oh, that's alright. You wanna do top rack?
You can.
Top rack. Now let's do bottom rack.
Bottom rack then.
Okay. $4.50. $4.50 for 45 to an hour. We're gonna look and see. In like 25 minutes though, we're gonna come and we're gonna flip these. Alright? So we'll be back. So it's been like 35 minutes and now we're gonna flip the chicken. Okay, so let's flip the chicken. Oh, my bad. All right. Okay. So we're all flipped. Now we're gonna let's do another 35 minutes. Yeah. So 35 minutes and then we're gonna make some sauce.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so we're back and now we are gonna make some sauce. The chicken is ready. It's just chilling in the oven. Now we're gonna make our garlic sauce. So we're just gonna add all of our ingredients. And this is our seasoning. I'm just gonna Alright. Ready? Let's get our chicken. Our beautiful chicken.
You want to have some seasoning?
Oh, I'm gonna get it on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good.
Right? Smelling good. Okay. Okay. Obviously, chicken in the bowl. That's alright. Alright. Get a little of that in there. Ooh, okay, I got it. No panic. Alright, now we're gonna put all that goodness in there. That's our infused butter and our infused coconut oil. Seasoning with our grated pone. In there. Okay. Get a little of that cheese action. Okay. Ready. Okay. Some delicious infused garlic parm chicken. You can have the homies over, show off your infusion skills, impress them, right? Damn, how delicious. A little more cheese. You need that Parmesan. Okay, we'll just put the rest of that. Okay, so there we have it. Infused garlic Parmesan wings for your Super Bowl party or just party of one. So that's it. Super easy, really good. And that's all we have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and give us some wing recipes to try and infuse. And don't forget to tell your mama to subscribe, okay? And you subscribe too. All right, thanks for hanging with us.